Yes. This song's called The Way Things Were. Throwing rocks at trains along railroad tracks. Dead-end kids who slipped between the cracks. We spent our time getting high. We did our best to get by. Then we said goodbye to the way things were. Oh, said that I would be so hard. So I planned out my escape with no guitar. I wrote a song with a stolen riff. If you ain't got a song, you ain't got shit. And we said goodbye the way things were. Sometime I think of when we were young, we never cared. Sometimes I wish that life would just stand still. We let the fire begin, then we watch it all burn down again. And we say goodbye the way things were. And we say goodbye the way things were. We surely struck up luck now that I found love. And I didn't know how fortunate that I was. So I hold on to that girl till it's time to leave this world. And we say goodbye.